Durable, efficient, and with powerful cleaning performance, Haier's full stainless tall tub design combines premium features with styling that fits every kitchen. Based on third-party testing, Haier dishwashers are a great combination of strong cleaning performance, but also with efficiency. Haier's Steam Right technology uses a high-temperature steam bath to soften baked-on food. A turbidity sensor adjusts wash cycles according to need, saving water and energy. All Haier dishwashers exceeded Energy Star criteria. In addition, Haier's NSF-certified sanitized rinse option can provide extra assurance that every cup, plate, and dish is ready for your family when they need it. A stainless steel tall tub interior combined with nylon racking are standard on all Haier dishwashers. Haier's DishGuard nylon coating with ball-tip tines not only provides a good appearance, but also provides resistance to rust, helps reduce noise, and minimizes residual water spots on glasses. Haier's durability is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Also, Haier's sleek styling fits any kitchen's decor. In addition, available colors include in white, black, and stainless. Haier full stainless tall tub dishwashers. Premium features, premium performance, with the durability and styling every kitchen deserves. Haier, smarter life, better planet.